Hello, I'm Farhan
Hello, I'm Tushar.
and we are from Skyway. Let's continue with our this month's video, which is dilemmas in educational ecosystem. Our this week's topic is hesitation and low self-confidence among students. So let us continue with this. So Tushar, let me ask you first that before proceeding to this, do you feel that students have low self-confidence and they hesitate in doing things or in class or in college or something? And what is the reason behind that?
Okay, Farhan. So this is one of the major problems that the student face, and I'll be taking the scenario in which asking questions or interacting with the teachers. So this is a major problem which the student face in asking the questions. There are several reasons, or there could be several reasons due to which the student hesitate asking the question to the teacher.
Okay.
One of the major reason is shyness. Second can be the reason regarding the fear of peers. Another reason could be fear of appearing dumb in front of the whole class, or
Yeah.
you can say among the teachers. And the last reason that I feel, which is difficulty in forming the questions. Now these are one of the, you can say, most important problems which the students face while asking the question. I'll brief the entire thing in one line or a one sentence. Okay, so fear of asking questions, you can say they basically fear to appear dumb, because they feel that if they ask a particular question, it will be wrong in their from their part, or the students or the teachers wouldn't understand, or they will laugh at that particular scenario or the question.
Yeah.
That's the major reason due to which they hesitate. Another thing is which is the major problem is fear of forming the question. Okay, so in this comes the language barrier. Okay, so this is one of the major problem which is faced by the student that are not good at forming the question in English. Okay. And because they are not proficient in English, or they are not able to speak the English properly, so they think that if I ask them the question in Hindi, then the rest of the students, she will basically feel ashamed of that. Okay.
Yeah, it is very wrong actually.
Yeah.
It should not happen.
Yeah, exactly.
And all these things result into no self-confidence.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So these are the major reasons due to which the student hesitate in asking the questions.
Correct. Absolutely right. I totally agree with you. And people might differ on the point where we talk about that English is as a communication type of thing.
Exactly.
And Hindi is our our mother tongue, and English is prioritized in many places. Majority of the places it is prioritized and taken as a status symbol.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So that has created a problem actually among students.
Okay, Farhan, let me ask you a question. What can be the solution of this particular problem, or how the student can mitigate this particular problem, or what exactly they should follow so that they don't hesitate or they can develop a confidence among themselves?
Okay, let me think. Whatever is coming to my mind is first address the question. Let us address the question correctly. That they are feeling less or low self confidence.
Yeah.
And they are hesitating in doing things. Okay?
Yeah, exactly.
These are the two things we are talking about. So what I feel is that they should not fear making mistakes.
Okay.
Okay, they should resist this fear. They should resist it.
Okay.
They should not care about it.
Okay.
They should be neglecting or resisting this thing, the fear of
Peers.
peer pressure.
Yeah,
okay?
exactly.
They should resist that. They should motivate themselves. They should get things that motivate them. They should be self motivated. Okay. Now let's talk about that English part where we said that they
language
should
barrier.
the language barrier.
Yeah.
thing. According to me, they should be fluent in anything.
Okay.
Either they are speaking in Hindi, English, or any other language. Whatever they are speaking, they should be confident enough that they are speaking right. Either even that they are not speaking it correctly, but they should feel confident that they are right at that point of time. Okay. So fluency or language barrier doesn't mean that you are not good in English. I don't agree with that.
Exactly.
Okay?
I also.
चाहे मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा, चाहे मैं मराठी में बोलूं,
Exactly.
or I talk in English, it doesn't matter. Okay, I am very much confident who I am or how I speak. even if I'm wrong, it doesn't matter. So students, okay, you should be confident enough. Either you are speaking in Hindi, English, or any other local language for so-called, to form a question. You should be fluent enough. You should be confident enough whenever you're speaking any kind of, or taking or making any kind of questions or any statement or any argument, anything in front of your class, or you're standing in a podium. It doesn't matter. Okay, you speak from your heart. Okay, and feel confident that whatever you're speaking it correctly. Okay, अगर हम यहाँ हिंदी में बात करेंगे, हम यहाँ मराठी में और बंगाली में या कोई भी लैंग्वेज में बात करेंगे, we will be confident enough that we are saying it correctly. Okay, and you should be confident enough whenever you are speaking all those things. Okay, that will escalate your self confidence, and the hesitation part will be slowly, it will be on the downfall side, that it will be degraded, okay, or mitigated. Actually, the hesitation part, it will slowly go away. So I think these are the points you should remember whenever you're speaking anywhere, or you are surrounded by any kind of public or gentry. While talking about all those things, I've come up with one more thing which a student should do, that try to practice those wrong things which you did at some point of time, that maybe some question or some speech you did in a wrong way or something like that. Try to practice that and not to repeat that mistake again. Like, we do n number of mistakes in our business, n number of things which we did wrong, but what we do is we try not to repeat them. Once you try, start doing all these things, or make this a part of your life, your self confidence, I'm telling you, it will boost 100%. It will boost. Exactly. And you will not be a person who hesitates in doing some things. You are doing it, you are far more better than those people who are not even trying. Okay?
Yeah, exactly.
So you should not feel hesitant about it. So let's conclude our video here.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'll just say that, tell your views. The questions for this week actually is, tell that moment or that time when you feel that you were hesitant, or you had that your confidence was very low. Tell about that time.
And if you have changed from that particular
definitely. If you have changed,
what exactly made you change, or what was the scenario that made you change?
Correct.
From being introvert to extrovert, or being less hesitate in asking question. Tell that also. It will be insightful for our viewers also.
Yeah, correct.
And we could share the thoughts as the viewers also go through the comments also.
Correct.
So if your story or your you can say your comment is good enough, they will also get a teaching from you, or
it will be helpful for those who are not coming in front to tell those stories. Okay,
exactly.
And you all know that we give Google form in each of our videos for you to share your innovative ideas in EdTech industry. So do that too.
Okay.
So let's wind it up here. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, and share your views. Share this video to everyone who needs this kind of information in their life. So
let's wrap up.
Let's
wrap up. This is Tushar Best.
I'm Farhan.
Signing off.
Thank you.